Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For new welcome, I post multiple haul videos, all different stores, love to find the deals, sales, viral stuff, all that. So if you like shopping, definitely hit that subscribe button on there because you don't want to miss my videos. But today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This is from multiple stores, probably like 4 different stores. So we have all different types of items. Might be a longer video, but yeah, we have tons of new stuff, so finally. But grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe, and let's get into this haul. Okay, the first stuff I'm going to show you is all from the first store. Was a hit, wasn't really, but you'll see. So first I got one cucumber mint hand sanitizer. I know this is an old scent, but I like it, so I just got one of her. Then I got the green clipboard. I have the pink one, but I just love this, and so I got the green one. So then let's get we have 3 beauty things. So we have this 2-pack of Brookstone nail clipper set, which is such a fantastic deal. So, and these are perfect for travel, at home, whatever. But for Brookstone to be $1.25, superior. So we got her. Then I just got the Lip Plumper Gloss in Rio Janeiro, just because I always did like this one and I haven't seen it in forever. So I was like, yes please. I don't even remember what collection it was from. That's how, like, long ago I feel like it was. But look how pink that is. I'll put it on. So yeah, it's definitely pinky, and now there's hair on it. And let me tell you, that instantly plumps your lips, literally. So yeah, pinky, love it, and it's literally already plumping. My lips are burning. So there's that. Then I got this. It is the Swipe and Go Blush Stick in Raspberry Cheek and Lip Color. I did like this. Raspberry, I don't remember seeing raspberry a lot, so I was like, okay, I see it now, I'm grabbing it. So we have raspberry, and we're going to open her too. Still on the lookout for the other new makeup collections, but we'll get there, hopefully. So, yeah, this is raspberry. I love that shade. We could do it on my top lip. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, so cheek and lip tint for raspberry. So got her. Really, really smooth too. So that's it for beauty. Now we have a lot of the back to school stuff. So first I got this llama notebook, like art alpaca llama, whatever you want to call it. But literally, I don't care, it's so cute. So we got her. Then we got 2 of these sets, and you get 3 in a pack. Okay, so you get 3 in a pack, which is a great deal. So first we have this one. Those little cowboy boots and cactuses and like little thingies. Then you get just this plain, like, striped one. Then my favorite, Let's Go Girls. I'm just obsessed. So yes, you get 3 in a pack. So that's our first one. Then our second one is more like florals. So we have this one. Not florals, more like, I don't know how to word it. That one. And that one. So again, you get 3 in a pack. And I love the mini ones, so we got those. Then, more notebooks. We got some more. We have this really glittery ones. And it looks like this. I'll take the jot. So we have this glitter one with like a cheetah heart on it. And then just like plain pages. So we have that one. And it's like blue glitter with cherries. And then, oh, okay, so just cherry, and then the background. Okay, that's cool. That makes sense. So, like, the background is okay. But anyway, these are the 2 glitter ones that I got. It doesn't get too much on you, but it does. Then, okay, I was so excited to find these crayon-shaped pencil pouch. because I'm obviously going to put my like markers and craft stuff in these, but I just think these are so cute. What about makeup brushes? But anyway, so I got one of every color. So we got this green one, and it is really nice too. So we got green. I can't believe how much these literally look like Crayola crayons. So we got green. We got blue. We have, this is like pink red to me. This is my favorite one, but pink, red, whatever you want to consider it. Then we got yellow. Yellow and pink, these are definitely my two favorites. But literally, $1.25, how cute are these? Like, this makes me want to go back to college just to pack a book bag and stuff. Anyway, two more things from this store. So we got the zipper pencil pouch. So they're like iridescent pencil pouches. They're super cute. And look how big like the little zipper is. So we have this color, and then we have this color. So it's like a lime green and then like blue. So yeah, these are super fun. You can use these for whatever you want, really, obviously. But that is all from the first store. So let's keep going. Okay, so day 2 and final part of this haul. So first off, we have this. It's called Decor, and it just says it's a little things in life, and it's on like this little wood plank. And I thought this lit up at first. I don't know why I thought it did, but it doesn't. But I definitely want to add. I want to figure it out if I can like light this up somehow. But still, it is so cute. So we got her. Then got this book, The Kissing Booth. I remember watching this a while ago on Netflix. But I'm definitely going to read this, watch the movie again, and there's like more books to the series, so I'm going to find them. But yeah, $1.25, not mad. So we got her. Then we got these little wood frames. I DIY with these all the time, like with my little Polaroid and stuff. So we got this little set, so adorable. And then we got this one. So these two are different. This one's wider. Got these. And then my favorite ones are like the little ovals. So these make for such good crafting and stuff. I love it. So we got those. Then I'm seeing some more back to school stuff, so I'm excited. So I got these 3D erasers, and you guys, if you don't know, I've collected these since I was young. And now they have like these alien ones, and I think they're so cute. So we got those. Then got the pink little crayon shaped pencil pouch. I love these. Not just for like my craft supplies, but I'm definitely gonna put some like makeup brushes in here for travel. And yeah, so we got her, super cute. Then found the new highlighters. So Journaling Ink Plus glitter highlighters with bonus gel pen. So you get the highlighter and the pen with it. So you get a pink highlighter, glitter highlighter, a green one, and a green pen with black ink. So we got that one. Then we got blue, the blue set. Then the purple. So super fun for $1.25, pretty great. So we got that. Then I got the Bright Aesthetic Wall Collage Kit. I remember getting Bright, but I don't remember it being these pictures. I might be crazy. But I love scrapbooking with this, so got that. Perfect for summer too, this one. Then, how cute is this little notepad from the school collection? I think it is adorable. Super fun. Oh, so it's actually like a 2-in-1. So you have the smaller ones, and you have the bigger ones, so that's even cooler. So I got her. Then, this was pretty cool. Note card set. You get 10 cards and 10 envelopes for $1.25. I thought that was pretty cool. It looks like Vera Bradley. So we got those, because you never know. Then got this little storage container from the back to school collection. Super fun to store lipsticks, makeup, pencils, pet whatever in here. So you never know. So we got that. And then beauty. So I'm seeing these salon clips again, and I love these. I haven't seen them in forever, so I snagged some pink ones because these are great for when I straighten my hair, do my makeup, whatever. So I got these pink ones. Then while we're on hair, these are my favorite hair ties. The Goody Ouchless No Metal Elastics Thick Hair, and you get 10 in here, and these do not fall out of my hair. So I was stoked to find these again, so got those. Then I got these little shoe charms. I don't use these for my Crocs though. I use them for my Walmart Vogue bag. And so we got the little flowers, super cute. Then I did find 2 sanitizers. So we got blue glitter and the old cucumber mint. So got those 2. Perfect for some bags, by the way, gift bags. Then we got the Eco Tools Mini Rose Quartz Roller, and I love this. I used it before I went shopping, and I was like, if I find this again, I'm getting another one. These are so good. I'm going to put this one in the fridge, though. So, super soaked. So, we got that one. Then, she's going viral again, but I found it, and I love these. I use these religiously. It is the Be Pure Hydrating Lip Mask. So, got her. Then I love this. This is an oldie, but it's from the Cat collection, and it's the Blueberry Lip Balm. Another oldie but a goodie. I needed more clear lip plumper. This is my favorite one for my auntie, so we got her. Then I do not remember seeing this. It's from the Juicy Cakes collection, but it's the Honey Cakes lip gloss. Time to Shimmer. How adorable. I'm obsessed. So super cute. Then the last find, finally, this is the Be Pure, essentially ageless blurring face powder. I love this. Could never find light and medium shade in forever. Finally found it. So this is the light and medium shade. This stuff is holy girl. So we got that. And that is literally all that I found from the multiple stores from this haul. So hopefully I find more of the back to school collection, makeup collections, all that. And yeah, but don't worry, I'm also getting my video together to make like my gift bag sets that I buy this stuff for and everything like that. So stay tuned for those. But in the meantime, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to comment down below what you guys have done for, I should have done for, and all that. Subscribe. See you later.